Hi everyone, I'm so happy to say you that I have just landed a UI UX design internship at Surf. But before I dive into the details, let me tell you a little backstory. Over the past few months, I've faced a lot of rejections. I applied to several places and didn't always get the response I hoped for. It wasn't easy, and there were times I questioned if I was on the right path. But I didn't let it stop. I kept learning, improving, and pushing forward. One day while working on an assessment for another company, something unexpected happened, guys. The co-founder of Surf Malta noticed my work and reached out to me after seeing my passion for UX design and my work. I never saw it coming, but it just shows that if you keep showing up and giving your best, good things will find you. It's been 9 months since I discovered UX design, and trust me, the journey hasn't been smooth as I was a self-taught designer. I made so many mistakes, I adapted myself, but I kept going. And now I'm ready to dive into this internship and giving it everything I've got. A huge thank you to the team of Surf Malta for believing in me and giving me this opportunity, and to everyone who has been there supporting me. If you're going through rejections or feeling stuck, don't give up, guys. Keep putting yourself out there, keep learning, and trust that the right opportunity will come when you least expect it. Thank you for sticking around. Can't wait to see where this journey leads. Let's keep learning and growing together. I'll catch you all in the next one. Stay positive and keep pushing forward, guys. All the very best, everyone.